What's the meaning of cerium? Cerium. Cerium.
Cerium. Cerium. Cerium is a chemical element with the symbol Cu and atomic number 58. It is a soft, silvery, ductile metal that easily oxidizes in air. It is the most abundant of the rare earth elements and is found in minerals such as monazite and bastnasite. Cerium has many uses, including in catalytic converters for cars, as a glass polishing agent, and in lighter flints. It also has potential applications in hydrogen storage and fuel cells. Overall, cerium is an important element with a wide range of practical uses.